हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू योर यूट्यूब चैनल टारगेट विद वीर। आज इस वीडियो में हम एसएससी सीजीएल 2019 में आए हुए जी के क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। यह इस सीरीज़ का हमारा थर्ड पार्ट है। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, फॉर मल्टी स्टोरीड इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन जैन कोरल कोव S20 होली फेथ अल्फा सीरेन एंड गोल्डन कायलोराम were razed to the ground in January 2020 following the Supreme Court instruction. In which state did this happen? तो ये किस स्टेट में हुआ है? तो ये हुआ है केरला में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सेकंड, नेम द कंपनी दैट हैज एक्वायर्ड एन ऑनलाइन ट्रेवल पोर्टल यात्रा ऑनलाइन INC for an enterprise value of 337.8 million in an all-stock transaction. Then its answer is ABIX INC. EBIX INC. Third question. Which of the following is an incorrect sequence of Mughal rulers? Mughal rulers का कौन सा इनमें से incorrect sequence? Then its answer is second. अकबर, शाहजहाँ, जहांगीर। राइट क्या होगा इसका? अकबर, फिर जहांगीर, फिर शाहजहाँ। तो इनकरेक्ट कौन सा है? ये वाला। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फोर्थ, द रिसेंटली रिवोक्ड आर्टिकल 370 इज एसोसिएटेड विद विच ऑफ दीज स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया? देन इट्स आंसर इज कश्मीर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, भवई एंड कालबेलिया एज ट्रेडिशनल डांस फॉर्म्स ओए देयर जेनेसिस टू विच इंडियन स्टेट? देन इट्स आंसर इज राजस्थान। और ये हाँ राजस्थानी है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इरानियन मेजर जनरल कासिम सुलेमानी वाज रिसेंटली 2020 assassinated by US military in? देन इट्स आंसर इज कहाँ? इराक में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सेवंथ, हु इज द ओनली साइंटिस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड टू हैव won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry twice? Then its answer is Frederick Sanger. Frederick Sanger. Next question, 8th. The American scientist Edwin Hubble name is associated with which of these theories? Then its answer is Big Bang Theory. Big Bang Theory. Next question, 9th. The city of Vijayawada lies on the banks of which of these rivers? Then its answer is Krishna River. Next question, 10th. Only one Indian batsman has scored a triple century in Test cricket other than Virender Sehwag. Name this batsman. Then its answer is Karun Nair. 11th question. What is the name of the phenomena in physics and astronomy which involves the splitting of a spectral line into two or more components of slightly different frequency when the light source is placed in a magnetic field? Then its answer is Zeeman effect. Next question, 12th. When does the entire earth experience equal day and nights? Then its answer is day of equinox. Next question, 13th. Who among the following is the current January 2020 governor of Kerala? Then its answer is Arif Muhammad Khan. Next question, 14th. Name the two Indian actors who shared the National Best Actor Award male in 66th National Film Award 2019. Then its answer is Ayushmann Khurrana and Vicky Kaushal. Next question. Former Union Minister and former Karnataka CM D.V. Sadanand Gowda is a cabinet minister in current central cabinet. What is his portfolio? Then its answer is chemical and fertilizers. Next question. Who among the following is known as the father of Muslim Renaissance in Bengal? Then its answer is Nawab Abdul Latif Khan. Next question, 17. Name the author of 2019 released book The Secret of God. Then its answer is Saikat Majumdar. Saikat Majumdar. Next question, 18th. What is the name of the phenomena driven by the scattering of light in which mountain tops acquire a rosy or orange hue around sunrise and sunset? Then its answer is alpine glow. Alpine glow. Next question. How many members did the International Monetary Fund IMF have as of January 2020? Then its answer is 189. Next question. The third Khelo India Youth Games 2020 is hosted by which Indian state? Then its answer is Assam. Next question. From which of the following states does 2019 Padma Vibhushan winner Tejan Bai hail? Then its answer is Chhattisgarh. Next question. Which of these is the energy conversion that happens in the process called photosynthesis? Then its answer is light energy to chemical energy. Next question. Who was the then Governor General of British India when Sati Pratha became illegal and punishable? Then its answer is Lord William Bentinck. Next question. Which of the following is an Indian research station in the Antarctica region? Then its answer is Maitri. Next question. Who is the author of delightful and anecdotal history of Indian cricket titled A Corner of a Foreign Field, the Indian history of a British sport? Then its answer is Ramchandra Guha. Next question. Pongal festival is celebrated for 4 days in Tamil Nadu. What is the fourth day of Pongal called? Then its answer is Kanum Pongal. Kanum Pongal. Next question. Name the law in physics which states that equal volume of all gases under the same condition of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. Then its answer is Avogadro law. Next question. Which of the following rivers flows through Tirutani, a famous pilgrimage place of South India? Then its answer is Nandi. Next question. In which year was the Nahargarh port in Jaipur built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II? Then its answer is 1734. Next question. As per the government rules, how many percentage of advance tax need to be paid by 15th June by an individual who is liable to pay advance tax? Then its answer is 15%. Next question. Which dynasty built the Panch Rath of Mahabalipuram? Then its answer is Pallava. Next question, 7th. In which of the following location was the Quit India movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? Then its answer is 1st August Kranti Maidan. 8th question. What was the theme of the 107th Indian Science Congress held in Bengaluru? Then its answer is Science and Technology, Rural Development. Rural Development. Next question. 9th. The researchers of which academic institution employed the nanoscale phenomena called electrokinetic streaming potential to harvest energy from flowing water on a small scale, like water flowing through household water taps? Then its answer is IIT Guwahati. Next question, 10th. In January 2020, B. Sai Deepak set a Guinness World Record for most side lunges in 60 seconds. How many lunges did he do? Then its answer is 59. कितने lunges किए उन्होंने? Lunges किए मतलब 59. Next question, 11th. Which national park among the following is the largest protected area in the eastern Himalaya sub-region? Then its answer is Namdapa National Park. Next question, 12th. Chiropody is a branch of science related to which part of body? Then its answer is feet. Next question, 13th. G. Babita Raidu took charge as an executive director for which of the following organization in January 2020? Then its answer is the Securities and Exchange Board of India. Next question, 14th. Which is the first Indian company to hit the 10 lakh crore mark in market capitalization? Then its answer is Reliance Industries. Next question, 15. The 23rd National Youth Festival 2020 was celebrated in Lucknow to commemorate the birth anniversary of. Then its answer is Swami Vivekanand. Next question, 16th. The Indian Railways has integrated its helpline number into a single number. What is the number? Then its answer is 139. Next question. The police of which state was honored with the President Colors Award in December 2019? Then its answer is Gujarat. Next question, 18th. In which year was the currency building in BBD Bagh or Dalhousie area of Kolkata constructed? Then its answer is 1833. Next question, 19. In terms of area, which state has the largest forest cover in India? Then its answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question, 20. Vishwas, which is a major e-governance initiative launched by the government in January 2020, is the acronym for which of the following? Then its answer is third, Video Integration Statewide Advanced Security. Next question. What is the color of light emitted by the sun? Then its answer is white. Next question. The famous 11-day long Dhanu Jatra, considered as the largest open-air theatre of the world, is celebrated in which state? Then its answer is Odisha. Next question, 23rd. Which district has been awarded the Plastic Waste Management Award 2020 for being best district of India in the plastic waste management category during Swachhta Hi Seva 2019? Then its answer is Dibrugarh. Next question, 24th. Jasprit Bumrah has been selected to receive which of the following awards for his performance in international cricket in 2018-19 season? Then its answer is Polly Umrigar. Next question, 25. Iswar Sharma has been honored with the Global Child Pradyogi Award 2020. What is this award associated with? Then its answer is योगा. तो ये हमारा आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन था. तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार.